Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Halloween theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram, and you need to update Instagram application. So once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and open Instagram and log in into your account. So once you log in, you simply need to click on this messenger icon on the top right. From here, you need to select any conversation and click on the person name on the top. From here you need to click on theme, and then you need to click on Halloween and wait for few seconds. And now you can see that Halloween theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.